Hello everyone, myself Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, Dr.SNS Orcas. Today we are going to see about session layer and its usage. Already we have seen about different layers in ISA reference model. This is also an important layer for transmitting the informations. So here it will see about let me see about an reliable communication, how the reliable communication can be done in the session layer. What are the formats we have to follow? So session layer, it is a crucial for establishing, managing and terminating communication session between the application. It ensures that the data exchange is organized and efficient and allowing for smoother interaction. Reliable communication should be done. That is, the session layer mostly follow phases, that is, mostly they have focus on establishing, managing and terminating the connection. So without any error, they will transmit the information. This is the structure of the session layer. So session layer sends some request. Response sending a request from the another layer means host 1 or B. Automatically it send a request and reply should be there. This is the structure of the session layer. Session layer, the data can be transmitted from one layer to another layer. First layer is called as an host A, second layer is called as an host B. Host A send an information from one to another one. So the session from presentation layer, we have to send a data to the session layer. Session layer will transmit the information to the transport layer. The data can be synchronized. That is, in here they will follow an encryption method for transmitting the data from one layer to another layer. Again, it will send to the physical layer, physical media, then again another physical layer in the host B, then it will send to the transport layer. It should be synchronized, then send to the presentation layer. After that, they have to make a sum process. This is the major structure of the session layer. The in present session layer, the data can be uh, divided into number of levels. It can be sent as an encoded data. Data can be encrypted. Compressed data can be sent to the presentation layer for receiving the information. This is the structure of the session establishment in the session layer. The request can be sent from the client to the server. So there should be some authentication for requesting the information. Server will check for the IP address, whether the given address is correct or not. After that, they have to make it some establishment between the server to client, given some responses. These are some of the key functions in the session layer. It includes establishment, maintenance, termination, that it manages dialog controls, ensuring that data is sent and received in the correct order, and provide mechanism for synchronization and checking point to the data transfer. Next, the session layer protocol, common protocols here they are using as RPC protocols and plays an important role in the network layer. Remote procedure call means it's some first send and request from the client to server. After getting acknowledgement, again it will transmit the information. After that, it will send the information again for asking for request. After everything, it will get an exist from the host ARB. That is an after getting information from host ARB, it will terminate the connection with a normal procedure. It also follows synchronization method. Synchronization bit also they will follow. Importance of the session layer. So it plays an integrity of data communication. It prevents issues from data loss, session hacking, ensuring that user can rely on the secure and consistent connection. Hacking should be avoided while transmitting the information because data cannot be lost in the session layer. Challenges in the session layer. So there are different challenges they have to face, like an vulnerability while transmitting the information without knowing sender or receiver. the data can't be lost, they have to protect from that. Conclusion, the session layer plays a vital role, so it gives a reliable connection between the networks for transcending the information. So, session management addressing emerging challenges will be a key feature network success. Thank you. From this, I conclude about the session layer.